I will have.
Tendré.
Learn Spanish future of.
Tener.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to laugh and learn fast? Let's power up your Spanish future tense with easy wins. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly language sidekick. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, drills, and free goodies. Today you'll nail the future of the verb have with Spanish.
Tener.
Think I will have equals.
Tendré.
And much more. Your goal today. In just a few minutes you will have solid control. See what I did there? Goal. Master the future of have, I will have, you will have, he will have, she will have, it will have, we will have, you will have, vosotros, they will have, using.
Tener. Tendré. Tendrás. Él tendrá. Ella tendrá. Tendrá. Tendremos. Tendréis. Ellos tendrán.
By the end, you'll confidently flip English to Spanish like a linguistic pancake chef. Forms in a flash. Say them with me out loud, micro reps, mega gains. I will have.
Tendré.
You will have, singular.
Tendrás.
He will have.
Él tendrá.
She will have.
Ella tendrá.
It will have.
Tendrá.
We will have.
Tendremos.
You will have, vosotros.
Tendréis.
They will have.
Ellos tendrán.
Base verb, have.
Tener.
Mini dialogue, tomorrow's plan. Enjoy a tiny scene, spot the future forms and smile. A. Tomorrow, I will have the keys.
Tendré las llaves.
B. Perfect, and you will have time to help.
Tendrás tiempo.
A. He will have the report early.
Él tendrá el informe temprano.
B. She will have coffee ready.
Ella tendrá el café listo.
A. The system? It will have better speed.
Tendrá.
Measure velocidad. B. We will have snacks for everyone.
Tendremos.
Aperitivos para to-dos. A. In Spain, you will have a tour at 3.
Tendréis.
Una visita a las 3. B. Great, and they will have seats reserved.
Ellos tendrán.
Asientos reservados. Drill time. Say it in Spanish. Quick call and response. Trust your first instinct. Say in Spanish, I will have. Answer.
Tendré.
Say in Spanish, you will have, singular. Answer.
Tendrás.
Say in Spanish, he will have. Answer.
Él tendrá.
Say in Spanish, she will have. Answer.
Ella tendrá.
Say in Spanish, it will have. Answer.
Tendrá.
Say in Spanish, we will have. Answer.
Tendremos.
Say in Spanish, you will have, vosotros. Answer.
Tendréis.
Say in Spanish, they will have. Answer.
Ellos tendrán.
Bonus. The base verb, have. Answer.
Tener.
Culture tip. Spain versus elsewhere. A quick heads up so you sound local, not like a time traveler. In Spain you'll hear the plural you form.
Tendréis.
For, you will have, while across much of Latin America people normally use ustedes, you will have.
Ustedes tendrán.
Same form as, they will have.
Ellos tendrán.
Closing parenthesis dot. Wherever you go, the future of have still comes from the mighty verb.
Tener.
Lightning quiz. Answer fast. Future you will have bragging rights. True or false? It will have equals.
Tendrá.
True. Fill the blank. Tomorrow, you will have time, singular.
Tendrás.
Choose the Spain plural. You will have.
Tendréis.
Say in Spanish, she will have the keys.
Ella tendrá las llaves.
Base check. The verb, have, for possession is.
Tener.
Challenge mode. Your turn. Build quick sentences out loud. Say, I will have everything ready by noon. Then reveal.
Tendré todo listo para el mediodía.
Say, you will have great results, singular. Reveal.
Tendrás grandes resultados.
Say, he will have the tickets tomorrow. Reveal.
Él tendrá los boletos mañana.
Say, she will have time later. Reveal.
Ella tendrá tiempo más tarde.
Say, it will have 4 doors. Reveal.
Tendrá 4 puertas.
Say, we will have coffee together. Reveal.
Tendremos café juntos.
Say, you will have free time at 3, vosotros. Reveal.
Tendréis tiempo libre a las 3.
Say, they will have new uniforms. Reveal.
Ellos tendrán nuevos uniformes.
Meta. The base verb is have equals.
Tener.
Nailed it. Wrap up. You did it. Future you is high-fiving present you. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing. I will have, you will have, with Spanish forms like
Tendré. Tendrás. Él tendrá. Ella tendrá. Tendrá. Tendremos. Tendréis. Ellos tendrán.
and the base.
Tener.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Swing by www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content, exercises, and fun challenges. Keep going. You will have amazing Spanish skills soon.